Welcome to Mayon. This is Average Basic Course Lesson 5. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the topic replacing. There are two methods in replacing. In the first method, there is a main group in which a subgroup is replaced by another subgroup. That is, from the main group, subgroup 1 is subtracted and then subgroup 2 is added to it, and the final outcome will be increasing. That is, when compared to the average of the main group, the average of the final group would be increased. In the equation form, we can write it down as the average of main group into number of terms in the main group subtracted by the average of subgroup 1 into number of terms in the subgroup 1 plus average of subgroup 2 into number of terms in the subgroup 2 equals to the average of final group into number of terms in the final group. This equation can be divided into four parts: 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there are 4 types of sum that can be asked from it. In each sum, the each part would be termed as unknown and we have to find it. Let's start from the type 1. Average weight of 4 men is 80 kg when one of them who weighs 60 kg is replaced by another of weight 90 kg. What is the average weight of new group? Let's frame the equation. Average of main group into number of terms in the main group subtracted by average of subgroup 1 into number of terms in the subgroup 1 plus average of subgroup 2 into number of terms in subgroup 2 equals to average of final group into number of terms in the final group. Here the main group is 4 men, their average weight is 80 kg, so substituting it 80 into 4, then subgroup 1, that is the group which is subtracted, their average is 60 kg, it is substituted into number of persons in the subgroup 1, which is one of them, so 1, plus average of subgroup 2, that is 90 kg, then number of persons in the subgroup 1, that is 1, is equal to the average of final group, which is unknown, into number of persons in the final group 4. Then doing the calculations, we get 80 into 4, 320, 60 into 160, 90 into 190 equals to 4 AF. Doing the calculations further, it gives out 350 on the left side and 4 AF on the right side. Then 350 by 4 gives out 87.5. It is the final required answer. Moving on to type 2, the average height of 10 member group is 175 cm when 2 women of height 160 cm each left and 2 men are joining the group. Average of the group increases by 3 centimeters. What is the average height of 2 new men joined? Here let's frame the equation first. It is AM into number of terms in the main group minus average of subgroup 1 into number of terms in the subgroup 1 plus average of subgroup 2 into number of terms in the subgroup 2 equals to average of main group multiplied by number of terms in the main group. I am keep on repeating this equation so that you will be memorized with it by the end of this lesson. Now let's substitute the values in the equation. Here the average of main group, that is height of the persons in the main group is 175, the number of persons in the main group is 10, the number of persons replaced is 2 and their average height is 160, the number of persons added is 2 and their average height is unknown, equals to the number of persons and average in the final group, that is it is just a replacement, so the number of persons in the main group and the final group are equal, so it's 10, and the average height of final group is 178. It is 178 because here it is given as increase by 3 centimeters. So when compared to the main group, there is an increase of 3 centimeters. So 175 plus 3 centimeter gives out 178. Let's see the sum further. Here we are just doing the calculations. 175 into 10, 1750, 160 into 2, 320 plus 2 AS of the subgroup 2 equals to 178 into 10, 1780. Doing the calculations, it is bringing on to the left side. So 1780 minus 1430 equals to 350. Then 2AS2 gives out 180, which is the required answer. Then moving on to type 3. In type 3, in a class of 20 students whose average age is increased by 1 year when 3 new students of age 20 years replaces 3 old students of the class. What is the average age of the 3 old students? Let's frame the equation. AM, the average of main group into number of terms in the main group, subtracted by average of subgroup 1 into number of terms in the subgroup 1, then average of subgroup 2 into number of terms in the subgroup 2 equals to average of final group into number of terms in the final group. Then substituting the values, here the main group is 20 students, so we are writing the number of terms as 20. Then average of the main group is unknown, it is kept as it is, subtracted by the average of subgroup 1 which is also unknown, that we have to find. The number of terms in the subgroup, it's 3 students which have been replaced. Then average of the subgroup 2, it is given as 20 ages, so it is 20 into 3 new students, so 3 equals to average of final group, that is average of main group plus 1 as it is given as increased by 1 year, then into number of terms in the final group equals to 20 as it is just a replacement. Then doing the calculations further, 20 am minus 3 as1 plus 20 into 3 60 equals to 20 am, because 20 into am plus 20 into 1 20. Then bringing on to the left side, 20 am minus 20 am, so gets cancelled. Then 60 minus 20 gives 40. 3 as, bringing on 3 as in the division position, 40 by 3 gives out 13, 1 by 3 years. It is the required age of the old person which has have to be replaced. Moving on to next sum. Container contains 12 parcels, of which 4 parcels of average weight 100 kg is replaced by 4 parcels of average weight 120 kg, which increases the weight of 12 parcels in the new group to an average of 110 kg. What is the average weight of 12 parcels in the initial group? Let's first frame the equation. Here the main group is 12 parcels and the replaced by the subgroup 1, that is average weight 100 kg, subgroup 2 4 parcels average weight 120 kg, and the new group has average weight 110 kg. Average of main group into number of terms in main group subtracted by average of subgroup 1 into number of terms in subgroup 1 plus average of subgroup 2 into number of terms in subgroup 2 equals to average of final group into number of terms in the final group. Let's substitute the values. Average of main group, it is unknown. The number of terms in the main group 12 parcels subtracted by average of subgroup 1 which is 100 kg into number of terms in subgroup 1, it is 4 parcels, plus average of subgroup 1, it is 20 kgs into number of terms in subgroup 1 which is 4 parcels equals to average of final group which is 110 kgs into number of terms in the final group, it is 12 parcels. Doing the calculation, we are getting 12 am minus 4 into 100 400 plus 120 into 4 480 equals to 110 into 12 1320. Then doing the calculations, we get 80 on this side, bringing on to the right side we get 1240. 12 am equal to 1240 gives out am equal to 103.33 kgs. We have seen all 4 types in the method 1. Let's move on to method 2. Let's see the method 2. Here also there is a main group from which a subgroup is subtracted and then another subgroup is added. That is, a subgroup is replaced by another subgroup and the outcome will be reduced. That is, when compared to the main group, the outcomes average will be in negative. Let's frame the equation for this method. Am into number of terms in main group minus average of subgroup 1 into number of terms in the subgroup 1 plus average of subgroup 2 into number of terms in the subgroup 2, then average of final group into number of terms in the final group. It is same equation as we seen in the previous method also. The equation can be divided into 4 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 and Part 4, and there are 4 types of sum in this method. In each sum, each one of this part will be made as unknown and we have to be finding it. Let's see the first type. In this, average weight of 10 men is 70 kg when 2 of them with average weight of 90 kg is replaced by another 2 men of average weight 60 kg. What is the average weight of new set of 10 men? Let's write down the equation. average of main group into number of terms in the main group minus average of subgroup 1 into number of terms of subgroup 1 plus average of subgroup 2 into number of terms in the subgroup 2 equals to average of final group into number of terms in the final group. Substituting the values, the main group is 10 men and average weight is 70 kg. Substituting it, 70 into 10 minus weight of the subgroup 1 is 90 kg. The value of number of terms is 2, so 90 into 2, then subgroup 2 it is 60 kg, then 2 men, so 60 into 2 equals to final group. Average of final group is unknown, number of terms is 10. Substituting it, then doing the calculation part, 70 into 10 gives out 700, 90 into 2 180, 60 into 2 120 equals to 10 AF. Left side will be 640 equals to 10 AF. Then AF will be 64. Moving on to type 2. Average height of 10 member group is 170 cm when 2 men of height 180 cm each left and 2 women of height X joins the group, which decreases the total average by 5 cm. What is the value of X? Here the average height of 10 members, that is main group's initial average is 170 cm and the men that have left the group are 180 cm and 2 women that have joined the group is X, which we have to find. Then the average of the newly formed group after the replacement has been decreased by 5 cm. What is the value of X? Okay. Now let's frame the equation. Average of main group into number of terms of main group into average of subgroup 1 into number of terms of subgroup 1 into average of subgroup 2 into number of terms of subgroup 2 equals to average of final group into number of terms in the final group. Now substituting the values, main group average 170 cm into number of terms in the main group 10 minus number of terms in the subgroup 2 and average of subgroup 2 180 plus number of terms in the subgroup 2, that is 2 women, and then average of subgroup 2 it is given as X, so we are taking X equals to the average of final group 160 because 170 minus 5 it is decreased by 5, so 170 minus 5 it is 165 into number of terms in the final group it is 10. Now doing the calculations, we get 1700, it is because 170 into 10 gives out 1700 minus 180 into 2 360 plus 2x equal to 165 into 10 1650. 1700 minus 360 gives out 1340 plus 2x equal to 1650. Then 1650 minus 1340 is 310. Then 2x is equal to 310. Then x is equal to 155. This is the required x value we have to find. Moving on to type 3. In a class of 30 students whose average age is decreased by 1 year when 3 new students of age 15 years replaces 3 old students, what is the age of old students? Doing the equation, we get average of main group into number of terms in the main group minus average of subgroup 1 into number of terms in subgroup 1 plus average of subgroup 2 into number of terms in subgroup 2 equals to average of final group into number of terms in the final group. Here substituting the values, the main group here is 30 students. Now substituting the values, here the main group is 30 and the subgroup has 3, which replaces the old 3. Here the new 3 students has an average of 15 and the final average is 1 year lesser than the main group's average. Just substituting in the equation, average of main group unknown into 30 students subtracted by average of subgroup 1 into 3 old students plus average of subgroup 2 15 years into 3 new students equals to the final group's average, which is 1 lesser than the main group's average, so AM minus 1 into 30 students. Then doing the calculations, 30 AM minus 3 AS1 plus 15 into 3 45 equal to 30 into AM 30 AM minus 30 into 1 30. Solving the equations, we get 30 AM gets cancelled, 30 to the left side gives out 75, 75 divided by 3 gives out AS1 equal to 25. Then moving on to the fourth type, a container contains 15 parcels of which 5 parcels of average weight 150 kg is replaced by 5 parcels of average weight 100 kg, which decreases the average weight by 15 parcels to 120 kg, which is initial average weight. Then framing the equation, average of main group into number of terms in the main group subtracted by average of subgroup into number of terms in the subgroup plus average of subgroup 2 into number of terms in subgroup 2 equals to average of final group into number of terms in the final group. Then substituting the values, here the main group has 15 parcels and their average is not given, and the subgroup has 5 parcels each, and the subgroup which has been replaced as a new value of 100 kg and the old value is 150 kg, and the average of the final group is given as 120 kg. Just substituting in the equation we get AM, it is unknown, so you are keeping just like that. Then 15 parcels minus 150 into 5, it is the value of subgroup 1 that is been removed out. Then 100 kg into 5, which is the value of newly replaced group, equals to the final group's value 120 kg into 15. Solving the equation we get 15 AM minus 750, 150 into 5 750 plus 500, 100 into 5 500 equals to 120 into 15 equals to 1800. 15 AM equal to 1800 plus 250 then equals to 2050. 2050 divided by 15 gives out the required final answer. With this, we have seen the 4 types in model 1 and 4 types in model 2. If you find this video useful, you can share it with your friends. You can follow our study group through the link in the description. Thank you.